is Dianjini Pratiwi. I am a student in Yogyakarta State University. Now I will present about my reflection in topic 1 to topic 4. In this topic, I learned about descriptive text, procedural text, recount text, and persuasive text. Okay, the first question on this reflection are what important things do you mention in the text? First, descriptive text on this topic 1, I create descriptive text about myself, my family, and friends' families. The important things that I put forward in this text is the number of family members, their names, when they live, hobbies, and work. This part become the core of the descriptive text I create. Then procedure text. In this text, I learned about procedural text related to work and hobbies. The text I wrote explained how to do hobby. The important things conveyed in this text is writing the step for each step. Each step is written clearly, sequentially, and in accordance with the characteristic of procedural text, namely using verb at the beginning of the sentence. About recount text. In the recount text, I state this relate to the first day at school. The important things in this text is related to the information in the text and the structure of the text. Information in the text includes the name of the school, location, activities during the first at school, and experience when first entering school. Furthermore, when writing recount text, it is also in accordance with the text structure, namely orientation, event, and reorientation. Those two things makes the text more interesting. Then about persuasive text. The important things I put forward in the text are related to the environmental topic I choose. Writing arguments and supporting facts, as well as the invitation implied in the text. The arguments I wrote are supported by exciting facts, so they are important for a persuasive text. Apart from that, the content of the text is written according to a persuasive text structure, so that the text I produce is easy to understand and readers feel persuaded to safe environment. Second question on this reflection, why is this important to discuss in the text? First, descriptive text. Information about the number of family members, names, place of residence, hobbies, and work is important to discuss because it is the main information in the descriptive text that I wrote. Through this information, I can describe myself and my family. Then procedure text, writing the step for each step is written clearly, sequentially, and in accordance with the characteristic of the text procedure, so that readers can follow the step correctly to get accurate and maximum result. Next, the information in the text includes the name of the school, location, activities when you first went to school, and experience when first went to school. It is important to discuss because it provides information for the readers. Readers will learn about events that the author experienced in the past. Writing that same with the text structure is also important because it completes with the rules of writing recounts text and makes the text more structured. And then persuasive text. Why this important to discuss in the text? the environmental topic I choose, writing arguments and supporting facts, as well as the invitation implied in the text are important to discuss so that readers have confidence in environmental issue and are persuaded to take positive action so that the goal of the text is achieved. The third question in this reflection are, what impact do you want to have from this writing? The impact I want from descriptive text are from the writing I produce. I want to be more fluent in creating descriptive text. An encouragement is created to continue learn skill in writing, speaking, and listening to stories from friends about themselves and their family. Then about procedure text, through the procedure text that I create, readers can do squat or lower body exercise correctly according to the sequence of steps that I wrote. The hope is that other people will also be motivated to exercise because of the text I produce. Apart from that, the impact I want to produce is that I become someone who is good at writing procedural text. About recount text and persuasive text. The first recount text, next recount text. The impact I want to produce from this text is that my friends and my skills in conducting interview and writing recount text can improve. I can write texts that are rich in discussion so that my writing skill can improve. Apart from that, I also want to be able to ask and write about someone's past experience smoothly. For others, this text can be entertaining by reading other people's past experience. Persuasive text. Through this article, I want readers to be persuaded to take action to save environment. The hope is that the arguments I write will convince readers and readers were aware of environmental issue. Through this text, everyone can save environment together. Questions are, what will you do to improve the quality of your writing? To improve the quality of this writing, I need to practice a lot, starting from increasing knowledge about descriptive, procedural, recount, and persuasive text, how to write correctly and rich content, and how to produce interesting text. I also need to discuss with friends so that we can learn from each other about grammar and vocabulary on each topic. The step I take an effort to improve my writing, speaking, and listening skill. Okay, thank you. There are my reflection about this topic. I learned about descriptive text, procedural, recount, and persuasive text. Enough for me, and thank you. See you.